Hey guys, welcome back to another video today, man. We're gonna do an unboxing, man. We're gonna do a huge unboxing. It's not huge, it's like 3 things. Um, Jesus. This, and I'll explain this in a minute. Uh, First, you know what to do. We're packing a lip of that dip, anyway. And I got most of this stuff on Etsy. My first time buying over there. Pretty cool. Anyway, I also made another necklace. In the process of making another one. Bam! Okay. I just need to add one more thing, and it'll be done, but... Oh, yeah. There it is. Anyway, get to this unboxing. First we got this. Okay? First we got this. It's called Spin Boy. It's a new fidget spinner. Simple. But instead you spin it and pop. You gotta like bounce it, like spin and then bounce. Anyway, yeah. So Spin Boy, a new fidget spinner, man. I just got it, man. I gotta work on my stuff. Well, hey, let me know in the comments below what you think of my wooden necklaces, man. I got 3 so far. Anyway, let's get the packaging from Etsy open. Anyway, I gotta spit, man, so... I know some people are gonna say down in the comments, man, you got all these mud jugs. But look, man, I'm gonna just use this for now. Alright. Get to this other unboxing right here. It's from, yeah, alright. Anyway, it's from Etsy, or Etsy, whatever you want to call it. Let me... Alright. Alright, yeah, I gotta fix this thing. Anyway, shout out to the person who made this. Monkey see and monkey do. Shout out. Anyways, here it is. Oh man, dude, check this out, dude. I know it's like not sanded and whatnot, but this is supposed to be like a desk topper. Anyway, it just sits on your desk like this. I don't know. I don't want to break it, but you can also like sand it down or use an X-Acto knife. I might try that later. I don't know, but that's cool the way it is. Anyway,